After you've chosen your template that you're going to use for your brand new Facebook fan page video header, now what you're going to do is you're going to put all your assets into the video. I'm talking about your photos, your video content, your logo, your text information, and each template can be used for any niche. Even though, for example, this template here is made for the real estate niche, you can use this for speakers, for dentists, for doctors. It doesn't really matter because it's your images and content that you're going to be adding to it, and our system is going to render it at the end for you to download. The one important piece of the puzzle here that you have to understand is Canvas is going to render this video in the appropriate format, the size, I should say, that Facebook's dimensions want. Okay, so let's dive into this one here. So for example, this one's asking me for text and 2 photos. One that's the background photo that you see the door with the key there, and the second is my logo. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put here, my real estate company. Okay, and if you've ever used any of our tools before, you'll see that we kind of let you know what you need. So you see how this one tells me that, I need to keep the text a little bit shorter. So I'm just going to go and real estate company and see if that works. No? Okay, so we're going to go real estate co. All right, click save. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a background. Now I can go ahead and upload an image if I have one on my computer from any folder, or I can use any of these integrated things. So for example, we have Usign integrated, we have Instagram, any of your photos from Instagram you can pull in, Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay. So let's click Unsplash, and I'm going to do house, and click enter. It's going to bring up all these different houses. So let's go ahead and choose, let's see, this one here is kind of cool. Click use. And it's going to ask me to size it appropriately, which I want to see. And I like the chimney in there. Click crop and create. All right, I'm going to upload an image here. And I'm going to go Revio logo. And this will be for my real estate video company. And that's perfect. I like it. Let's just bring it down just a little bit, right about there. You can size this any way you want. And if you need to, you can use your scroll button on your mouse to bring the logo image inside of the squared box. Crop and create. Now this particular slide is finished. One of the things I want to mention to you right away, though, is nothing's going to change right now. You see, all the assets and everything you're going to do are going to be rendered on our servers. Our servers do this on the back end, okay? So nothing's going to change here until the end. Just know if you have your green button and your images here, everything is fine. Let's go to slide number 2. Now here are the assets we need. We need one photo, which is going to be the background, and all of this information. So my company name is Revio. Insert your idea here, Revio. Real estate video. Perfect. And add your slogan. You need video, and we are the #1 provider of real estate video in the market market today. And look at all that. We have so much that we can add in here. I'm going to click save, and now let's go ahead and add our image. Once again, I'm going to go to Unsplash. And I'm going to go living room, so let's just go home. There we go. And I'll go with this right here. Looks nice. That's more of a kitchen. Okay, I like kitchens. Kitchens sell homes, so that's good. And we're going to size that appropriately. Crop and create. And we're just going to go through this step by step. This is not rocket science. The rocket science comes in on the back end, what our system does for you. Okay, now what do you want to do? Okay, so let's just start talking about, so for example, this one is really trying to get across, you're trying to sell a house. So for example, I would do 4-bedroom home. All right, 4-bedroom home, 3 bathrooms, like that. Okay, perfect. Correctly, looking for leisure. Okay, now here's what I want to emphasize to you. As you're creating more and more videos for your clients, you're going to want to understand what each template needs. For example, their assets, what photos they need, how much text they need. So I would come prepared a little bit for each one of these. So for example, this one here needs 1 to 20 text information. This one here needs up to 180. So now I would want to come prepared for this. I'm kind of shooting off the cuff right now. So let's just kind of add some text here. Let's see, you're looking for leisure. This beauty will have you relaxing the moment you step foot into her. Request a viewing today. Request a viewing today. Request a walkthrough. Let's do that. I don't want to do viewing. Walkthrough today. Okay, click save. And now this one is all set. And we continue down through each slide. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, go through the next 3, and then I'm going to be back once I have the last slide to kind of finish out here. Excellent. And now we're on our last slide. Okay, we've gone through each slide here, and we've added all of our assets. Now we come to our last slide here. And once again, we're going to go ahead and, you see how it's saying logo, but it's only asking for the background? It's because we added our logo on the first slide, so it's defaulted in on this one as well. So let's just go ahead and choose our last slide. And once again, I'm going to go home, and I'm going to choose the front of this house here as my last one. And we're going to go ahead and crop that as well. And that's it. Once it goes ahead and crops it for us, now you'll see it's going to ask us to render the video. And it says keep default audio. If I want to change the audio, I'm just going to click this check mark. I'm going to click add audio, and it's going to bring us to our audio. And let's go ahead and let's listen to it. Okay, let's try another one. Ooh, bump, 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 a dump, a dump. All right, let's listen to this one. How about deep thoughts? I like to think deep. Well, dreams become real. Oh, I like that one. There we go. Let's use it. All right. And generate mockup. And we'll click on my videos, and we can see the rendered video when it's completed and download it. It's that simple.